Here we are out on yet another ridiculous adventure. Gonna try to make my way to the west branch of Leprau River. I'm not aware of anyone that has sent this section of the river, and I haven't seen any videos, so I'm gonna try to get in there, check the river out, and bring it to you. 20 kilometers of some of the worst back roads I've ever seen. 5-kilometer boat drag of road and through trailless forest. And we're on the water already. Right now we are on Victoria Lake, which is the west branch of the river. Just about to get into some moving water, so here we go. Right up here there's tons of water, so hopefully the rest of the river provides me the same. We shall see. A little set of ripples coming up here. Water's moving at a pretty good clip. Should make pretty quick work with this 8K paddle. Might have a sweeper coming up. Scout around this blind corner, have a look. Make sure it's okay. Unfortunately, there's a big old spruce tree behind me, right in the middle of the flow of things, so I drag my boat around it and put him below it again. Sweeper right there. Nice little Class B boogie water here. So pick our way down best we can. Tiny bit bony, 1 meter on the Leprau gauge, but pretty easy to work your way down. Only a wild guess, but I would think coming down this on a canoe with the intention of taking your time and sort of fishing the river would be pretty amazing out here. I've never seen so many beaver lodges on one river like the one in front of me in my life. It's probably number, I don't know, 10 now, more, a dozen, not sure. There's a lot of them though. Just got done probably a kilometer long of Beaverpond Crossing. Back into some moving water. And typically where there's a bridge, there's gonna be rapids, at least in my experience. Beautiful wave right there in front of me. A couple of them actually. Left or right? That is the question. Left it is. I think I can probably comfortably say that that's going to be the major set of this run. Definitely class 2 plus. Fun boogie water. A little bit complicated there at one point, but nice. Something to keep you on your toes. Onward we go. I'd like to take a sec to kind of reflect on this trip. Again, I'm not aware of anybody who's paddled this section of the west branch of Leprau River. And the truth is, it's really not about the Whitewater for me. The more challenging it is to get to and find and explore and experience, the better for me. I'm an explorer and a river runner at heart. The Whitewater is a fun aspect of it, but for me, it's much more about getting out into the wild and untamed areas like this one I'm on now. Because there was no crazy whitewater on it, but it's a beautiful river. It's super peaceful out here. I'm all alone, and I can't wait to share it with everybody. Because really, that's what these videos are about. They're about the me wanting you to get out there and get out and explore and have adventures of your own and be bold and be brave and don't listen to what everybody else has to say. Just get out there and enjoy life. Thanks, everyone. This little section I'm on now is called the Victoria Deadwater, and you can definitely see why. Here we are coming on to our last set of rapids. Can't really see much from here. I didn't expect much of a rapid, but it sounds bigger than I thought, so I'm going to approach with caution. Yeah, she looks like a tight little section with a pretty bumpy ride down there. Let's go. Nothing complicated, but definitely a bumpy ride. Another unexpected treat here in front of me. Well, that concludes another fun paddle. Thanks for joining me, everybody. If you're enjoying these adventures, feel free to comment, like, and subscribe. Till next time.